In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Dune Awakening resolution. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Customizing the resolution and different other graphical settings for Dune Awakening is extremely simple. You can do this while inside of the game or from the home screen. You will need to head over into the settings. So if you are on the home screen, just use the option at the bottom left corner of the screen. If you are already inside of the game, you will most likely have to pause and then you will find the options related to the resolution when you go inside of settings. Now, using these tabs at the top, switch over to graphics. When you go into graphics, you will find resolution. So the two relevant options for this video are going to be window mode and resolution. All that you have to do now is choose either of them and see all of the options. You can see a description here. Set the resolution size for the game. Higher settings will have a major impact on the CPU and GPU performance. Usually, the higher you go on the resolution, the more GPU intensive it is going to be, but of course, it still has some effect on your CPU as well. But if you believe that you are CPU bottlenecked, you can usually get away by going into a very high resolution, assuming you have a good and strong GPU. And of course, the window mode is also going to be available. Set the window mode for the game. Windowed, it is going to be rendered in a window with borders. Windowed, full screen. Windowed but locked to the monitor's resolution. And full screen, rendered to the full size of the monitor currently used. Usually, if you alt tab a lot, I would recommend using windowed full screen, because it makes it quicker to switch from the game to another tab. So for example, if you have a dual or even triple monitor setup, but if you want to play 100% of the time and you don't plan on alt tabbing often, full screen is the go-to. It is going to give you the best performance possible. I wouldn't particularly recommend windowed, but that's up to your personal preference. And of course, the actual resolution can be found here. You will see plenty of options and also your monitor's native one, which is the recommended one to choose. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Dune Awakening resolution. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.